Hi there everybody, on today's video I have this Volvo S40. This also applies to the V40. This is a 99-2000 model. I'm just going to change the wiper blades here. I've already changed this one, so the same procedure for this one. So if you pull that out and we press this little clip here, you can actually pull this back like so and remove the blade. I got my new blades here, made by Hella, 20-inch, and then we want to put it like this. So that's gonna go in there and in there, and then we're going to pull and lock this into place like so, and that's pretty much it. So then we can obviously remove the that's this bit here, and that's it really. So I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.